What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Paradise Plastics. Today we're going to be fishing in Liberty Park, Alabama with F1sh4Ever and Emory Carver. And yeah, I'm filming this intro after we get done fishing and we catch some Mondos. So you might want to stay watching the video. See y'all out there. Right now, water looks stained, but decently clear, I guess. It's highly overcast because it's about to rain, so probably gonna be expecting some of that. All right. I'm gonna change it up to a chatterbait because it's crankbait and getting bites. They're doing some live bait stuff over there, which I think is pretty cool because they've caught some 4-pounders so far. Hey, I think black and blue or white.
Hey, we can go knock on a door. Black and blue.
All right.
For what?
Huh?
For what?
Chatterbait. Set the hook. Give slack. Looks like Sam just got one. Whoa. Oh, dang. You see him fight? Oh, is it just, oh, there he goes. He's running with it, you say that.
Maybe 3.
Yeah, it looks like a 3. Let's look at this thing, hold on. Ooh. It's a fat. I got it.
The picture's good. That
Fat.
one's bigger than mine.
Whoa, got one. Yeah, feels like it.
Oh, you actually got one?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
I don't know. Yep, I got one. He's fighting. Black and blue chatterbait.
Oh, the chatterbait actually. Not a live bait. That's what I was about to tie up.
I'm not. Does he look big? No, he's wanting to jump. I can feel it.
No. Just keep all tension on the line. Keep a lot of tension on the line. Oh, that's a 3-pounder all day, baby.
Yes, sir. Oh, I can't see anything.
I got him.
Let's go.
That's a 3 all day.
2.
That's like 2.
That's 3.
That's like either really high 2. That's like a 2.
There you go. I'm just keeping this in my pocket. I literally.
Oh, so gooey. 2.8.
There you go.
Alright, you want
Hold on.
Stick.
Yeah. That's probably gonna kill him right there. He keeps
Here,
doing
just hold it. Oh shoot! When you get the. Okay.
I don't know.
Ready?
Are we closing now? Shoot. Got me in the finger.
Ready? There we go.
Let's go, boys. Got me a nice solid 2.8 fish.
Okay, yeah, I'm tying on my chatterbait.
Bro, look at this. That's it. Look at the skin right here. Oh.
Oh, he's skinny.
Hey, oh, I bet that's a girl in her egg patch. Her egg patch
here.
is empty.
Hold on.
I say
that's
one.
A really high 1.
Like,
no, that's
one.
That's a high 1.
High 1, yeah.
It's skinny.
They got me a solid fish, 2 in a row. I turned the camera off because I didn't think I was going to get 2 in a row. Dude, I'm going to do that again, I'm telling you. Oh yeah, black and blue.
That's what I have right now.
Chatterdonk. All right, we got Maxwell, a nice 4-pounder. Or, I wouldn't doubt if this is, huh? Oh, he came off. No. All right. Looks like they got a fish on the bluegill. Woo! Let's go. See what we got to work with here. Did he come off? No, I see him. He looks big. No, wait, no. Okay, I thought his mouth was bigger. Never mind. Let's go. Let's come. All right.
I said 2.6.
That's all right. I don't really care.
Here we go.
All right, we got our fish. Let's see if we can set the hook now. Woo! Is it a big one?
Yep.
Let's go, boys.
Good.
Don't keep it back.
Oh, he's fighting. He's like. All right, watch out, Sam. Let's go, boys. What a beat. Dude, it's a beautiful fish, too. Let me see that boy.
My guess was 4.2.
Yo, that's a 4.3. That's a
4.3.
right there.
He's biting my finger.
Take him. Grab him by the fin. Grab him like that.
That is a big one.
Take him. He's wide.
Yeah.
He's thick.
He's biting me. Pretty big. I don't know. I can't get him. I don't know how to get him out. All right. There we go, boys. Big boy. It's a long boy too. I'll say that. Hey, let's back up. Come back here.
It's a toad.
Oh yeah.
Check this out, guys.
Oh yeah. Let's go. It's pretty awesome.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Here. Nice.
Let's go, boys.
Feel the power.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna guess 4 or something. This may be the big one of the day.
I'm calling 3.
I'm calling 3.9.
I'm calling 3.5.
3.9.
3.
3.1. Look at the big one.
The toad.
The toad himself.
And your arm's shaking.
My camera's acting so weird.
All right, let's go, boys. Get that clean release. All right. Well, my thumb is officially tore up. All right. Got me a nice lunker right here, boys.
Hey, don't let it get in the stick.
I'll fight a little bit more. Oh, no!
Just tight lined it.
All right. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, see y'all next time.